Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Do you want to be transported back in time and feel like a super cute 50s, 60s girl? That's exactly what I feel like when I wear this super cute dress from Dressever. This dress is modern styling with that total 50s, 60s vibe that I absolutely love. The dress is made with a premium, really nice fabric and is lined. The fabric itself is nice and stretchy, but it still looks really, really tailored while you're wearing it. I also like that the dress has a nice modest V-line, so I wasn't looking for something that was super low cut. You can tell that the quality of the fabric is really good, and I feel like this dress could be worn in a multiple of seasons as well. The dress even has pockets. It has a really well-made, completely hidden zipper, and it's about A-line length. So it fits right under my knees on my 5'4" frame. You want something super cute that you can wear to an event. This dress is going to be so comfortable for you and you'll feel glamorous. I've already gotten tons of compliments when I've worn it, and I think that it would look super cute on you as well. And that's my point of view.